Naklue Street Food Festival. So let's go in, have a look and see what's on offer.
There was once a day that I would pray for you. I'd go and misbehave just so you'd notice too. Sneaking looks up and down from across the room. And damn, what a hell of a view. I feel good, you look great, I like you, I can't wait. A first time, a first date, you're so fine, I'm so late. You sip wine, I drink straight, don't waste time to my place. I feel my heart erase.
Some roast duck there, lovely. Lychee, some fish there, some lovely fish. We'll have a walk right the way through. These are called phalang. They're like apple. Very similar to an apple. It's quite a popular market, really, or festival, should I say. It's, I think it's once a year, and all the street sellers come up here as a festival. Fried squid. There you go, look at that, fried squid. Different types of places, yeah. And another one there, look, iguana. Oh, they are real, they're just not, oh there we go, turns his head. Yeah. Oh, there we go, look.
ไม่มาเมื่อวานดูงูซื้องูไปก่อนกินแมววันนี้ไม่เอางูมา
Quail's eggs there by the looks of it, and you buy them on a skewer. You get 4 quail's eggs there, as well as the fish. Right, and we've had a quick snack stop, so we bought some noodles, and we got some soup over there. And we're just off the main walkway here, so we're down one of the little side streets. We got fried little frogs there, and crabs. Great big, I don't know what they are over there, they look like cockroaches, but more grasshoppers. A little barbecue kebab spinner, and the meat can only be about a foot high. That's okay for your garden barbecues. Fresh squid. Ow, 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 ow. Fresh squid going on the barbecue. Look at him hiding down behind there. And we're looking right over the harbour. There's the sea there. Now this is one of the inlets. Little restaurant over there. And what we got here, fish and soup. And they sell the soups in these plastic bags. You just buy the soup, put it in a plastic bag, and then take it home. You can eat it there, or if you want to eat it now. All the fish there already, all spiced up, cooked. And you get that fish soup, which is there. This sausage meat here, they cut that up and mix it with the noodles and the veg. You've got these the fish wrapped up in banana leaves, cooked on the barbecue. Got all different squid and fish, jumping shrimps. So what you do here, you buy, they ladle the shrimps out, they put them into a container, mix it with some spices, and you eat them live. And they jump about in your mouth. And a lot of this market is all orientated around the children with special needs. It's the Father Ray School, which is here in Pattaya, for the orphanage, etc. So it's very well worth cause. Yeah, fine. Yeah, Sabadi ma. Yeah, Sabadi Cup.
You can speak English, right?
Yeah.
Where you come from?
England, UK.
England, yeah.
Yeah.
Today he is the mayor of Pattaya City. The guy.
Oh, the mayor.
Yeah, the
yes.
mayor.
Oh, yes.
How about Facebook? Good. Everything good?
Yes. I walked up and down. We're just coming back now. Had something to eat. Very nice. Yeah, it's lovely.
Thank you.
Yeah.
About safety, about the toilet, washroom, everything okay?
Yeah, good. Yeah.
Thank you so much.
We come last year as well, so this year getting a little bit better. Yeah.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. Come. Right, so that was the Street Food Festival. Very popular. Quite a good attendance today. It's the last day. But we're just walking over to. They've had a park under construction for a little while here in Naklue, by the fish market. The fish market behind me. So this is the new park. We'll go and have a look and see see how it's progressing. So here we are, we're at the new park. Quite a nice entrance to it. I must admit they do, the Thai do put on, or provide, should I say, for the community, or planted all these plants. Last time I came, they were just planting. They had all deliveries of these plants. They weren't in the ground, so they've done a good job here. Big old tree. They've kept that one. All planted round it. As a community park, it's used. Unlike, unfortunately, some parts in the UK where the parks are just vandalised, they do use them here. Taking their selfies. And it's nice to see that the local council, or whatever they're called in Thailand, provide spaces like this. The Thais do tend to work all the hours under the sun, so something like this is quite nice for them. Little pagoda. You see all the BMX boys are here with their BMX bikes, doing their thing. Oh, nearly. Ah. Fresh shrimps. Right, so we bought the crayfish or prawns or whatever they are, and they're now cooking them over here for us. So they put them in a little rack, and then they cook them. They're still moving. So that's how you buy prawns at the fish market, and the fish market, straight out of the water onto the fire. That's Naklue Street Festival, with all the food and everything. If you like this video, like every video I make, please, if you haven't already, smash that subscribe button. Helps me out on the algorithms with YouTube. And until the next time, stay safe, and I'll see you a little bit further down the line. See you later.
There was once a day that I would pray for you. I'd go and misbehave just so you'd notice too. Sneaking looks up and down from across the room. Damn, what a hell of a view. I feel good, you look great, I like you, I can't wait. A first time, a first date, you're so fine, I'm so